Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I partnered with Olay to get this super glowy moisturized skin, so stay tuned to see my morning routine featuring Olay. We're going to start by using one of the Olay scrubs. This is a 5-in-1 cleanser and it is also detoxifying and has vitamin C and charcoal. A few benefits of this scrub is that it gently exfoliates the skin, also removes excess oil, and I have really oily skin, y'all, so this is perfect for me. It does help brighten the skin over time and also just deeply cleanses the skin. Also, I'm obsessed with any skincare product that contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is excellent in helping to brighten the skin. And vitamin C also helps fight free radicals which cause damage within the skin and also help treat uneven skin tone and reduce fine lines. So next we're going to go in with one of the Olay serums. I'm going to be using the B3 plus Sake Kazu serum. And y'all, let me start by saying that I love the smell of this serum. It has such a light and refreshing scent. I also love that this is in a stick form. This is my first time seeing a serum in a stick. And this does make it super easy for you to travel with. You can just pop it in your purse or bag and pull it out whenever you need a quick refresh. And so yeah, I'm just gliding this across my face and going ahead and patting it in to make sure that it is soaking into my skin with my fingertips. And vitamin B3 helps the skin retain moisture. And the Sake Kazu in this contains amino acids and antioxidants that help invigorate the skin. So this is perfect to put on before your moisturizer and before you put on your makeup for the day. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my moisturizer. And you want to make sure that you are always moisturizing your neck area. You don't want to neglect that area of your body. I'm adding some lip balm. And so as y'all can see, my skin is nice and glowy and moisturized and ready for the day. Check the description bar for links to each of these products, so be sure to check them out, y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.